Alright, if you look right over there, the car is back. And Martin has pulled all the bodywork back out. Got everything pretty straight again. Already started doing the painting on it. And so far, so good. It's going to be a good bit of work to get everything painted and back together for Galway. Going to depend on whether we get an entry to Galway if we can go or not, but if we don't, there's retro stock in Mondello the week after, so we'll go to that as long as there's enough time to get tickets for it. Still quite a bit of work to do, so I've got the wing up on top of the car there. That needs to be fully sprayed still, and just drill a few holes in it for remounting, because where it pulled out of the holes originally, it's just all broken, so I'll have to do something about that again. So right along here where it was pushed back in, he's cut out a nice chunk on the front and underneath, and then back here as well, and just welded a plate all the way around there. Everything here kind of pulled out nicely. There was only a little weld here and a small plate in underneath. All the rest of it kind of just pulled back into shape. I'm going to let that first coat of lacquer dry. It seems to match up pretty nicely. So that's the repainted bit, and that's all original paint. Seems to match up alright. Got the new bonnet fairly well along the way, so it's a fiberglass bonnet. Just going to be wrapped in carbon vinyl. Big hole cut out for the bonnet scoop. So it'll be something like that. Yeah, it's going to be wrapped in carbon vinyl because I want to keep the original look of the car with the carbon bonnet, carbon boot, and the black trims and wheels. And this bonnet vent is just a little something different to what is normally used. It's slightly offset. It's supposed to be on the left hand side. It's off a Pajero. But I think it suits nicely there where it steps out further on this side and then curves more here.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back, she's so bad. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let